Hello darling friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to know you are fine. Today I want to show you another tips you can use to get a glowy face. It's just a very simple one you can do anywhere, anytime. So let's get started. We need just 2 tomatoes for this. You have to blend your tomatoes or scratch it or anyhow you want to get it and make it in a paste like form. Yep, that is exactly what we need for this. And then tomatoes, they're very good. It can make your skin fairer. It can make you look so fair, and then brighten up your skin, your face, your color. It can brighten it up. So even using it like that, just the tomatoes can go a long way. But today we are gonna add little thing to those tomatoes. Okay, we are adding our Coolgate toothpaste, just the two. Yeah, we're gonna add this to it. And then after adding it, what next do we need to do? You need to mix it very well till it forms a paste. Okay, once you are done mixing it, then we have one other thing to do before we start applying it. Do you want to know that stuff? Now follow me, let's go get it and let's get this started. Let's get doing it. Yeah, you have to mix it very well, like very important. Okay, it has to form a paste like something. So when you are done, please you do something first for me. Test run it by using your hand. Yeah, when you're done putting it on your hands, you have to wait for it like 30 minutes. Okay, so you know if it's gonna burn your hand or not. It's very important you try every DIY on your hands before applying on your face, because most of them will hurt you or it will itch you. So whatever reaction you got from your hand, that's exact way it's gonna do you on your face. So when you're done, you got to leave it for like 1 hour? No, like 30 minutes. If nothing hurts you, then we'll come back and then apply it on our face. Before we start applying it on our face, you need to use that tomatoes to scrub your face. Allow it to sit for like 30 minutes. Remember, you have to apply it on your neck too, so that you don't have a different color. Your face and your neck will be in different forms. No, you need to do it. Then after that, you have to start applying it gently. Okay, that's you have to do, like do it very well, very important. Okay, yeah, you can see the one doing it. You can put, after putting it there with the stuff, the next thing is to use your hands, bare hands, to scrub it very well. But you first and foremost, make sure you touch every part, even your neck side, every part of your face. Okay, I believe you're enjoying this. I believe this is gonna help you. If you're enjoying this video, why not click on the subscribe button for us, please. Don't forget to subscribe. In that way we'll know that you really like what we are doing. Okay, yeah, remember, you need to thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section for us, so that will be whatever observation you find out, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Okay, yeah, that will be very much welcome. All right, thank you so much, darling friends, for your time. Remember, you need to use your bare hands and scrub it, like, yeah, make sure you touch every part of it and then use your bare hands to scrub it. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.